I'm not actually a fan of sushi or raw fish, but ceviche is kind of different because it does change so much and it's just really light and fresh. It's really easy to make it at home.
I'm a big sushi fan. A ceviche, traditionally you eat it for lunch because the catch is caught in the morning and they want to serve it as fresh as possible. It's just a very clean way of eating. It's basically a little citrus juice for a little acidity, a little bit of salt, little chilies, some herbs, and it's so simple. You don't have to do a lot to it.
I chose culinary management for the main reason that I've always loved cooking and I've loved baking and I've loved working with food, so it's kind of always been a dream of mine.
All of our facilities are high-end. The equipment we use is state-of-the-art, so it's a good opportunity to see what working in a high-end kitchen is actually like.
You have your cooking classes where it's hands-on, you're chopping up vegetables and cooking different dishes, but you also get sort of the management side of it where you're learning how to run a business and how to come up with menus and things like that. So for me, a highlight was basically just traveling to a different country. I've never been to South America. We got to go on a lot of cultural tours around different districts of Peru, and that was really cool just to see how things are down there.
There's something to be said about visiting and actually living in another country. We were only down there for a week, but we were immersed in their cuisine, the culture. Stuff like this you can read about it, but you can't smell, you can't taste, you don't see with your own eyes. So I recommend to all of our students, as a cook, as a chef, you gotta travel, you gotta experience other cultures. I like to say we will always have a job. People always have to eat. It's part of the service industry that will always be around. We have students all over. There's a lot of opportunities to stay home, work locally, or work abroad.